Oh man, what's up guys? So today is my birthday, 33 years old. This is my Jesus year, so it's gonna be a big year for me. Looking forward. Birthday started off
what?
Pretty perfect.
You're dumb.
That was.
I didn't even remember that.
Hold on, you what? don't even play, dog. Your birthday started off really amazing. Wifey woke me up with brought me breakfast in bed this morning.
That's how I woke you up?
See how you playing? See how you playing?
Just kidding, guy.
Yeah, so man, birthday's always special, man, because you know, you just get to be celebrated, all the birthday shout outs on social media, and you know, it's just it's special. You know, it's good to be affirmed. Like, everybody loves attention. Everybody loves when it's, you know, it's all about them. It's all about me today, so I pretty much get whatever I want today. You know what I mean? So.
Okay. What you want, Jet? You didn't tell me one thing you wanted.
I didn't. You ain't asked.
Because I already know.
She already knew. Well, I told you the one thing I want.
Whoa.
Yeah, so. But yeah. Birthday boy. Yep. So cheers to my Jesus year. Looking forward to a lot of different things. So it's gonna be great. So we are headed to
Salon.
We're headed to the salon. Right, you can see my
Bit of self-care.
looking.
Okay. The boy need it once a month, actually.
I need what?
You need it once a month.
Once a month?
This is your waistband. You're going to tie it around your waist. It's going to warm up because it's going to be signaling the machine and helping the ionic magnet to help pull the toxins out of your body.
Oh, okay. Like this here?
Mm-hmm. So this is your... So, like, take your watch off. The signal is going to signal to that. They're going to communicate through the device here. Put your feet in.
Scared.
Put it in the bag.
So after your feet get to the detox process, we're going to be doing a herbal foot bath, which is here.
Okay.
I have in there magnesium, pink Himalayan salt, which are minerals your body's going to need to regenerate.
Okay.
And then we also have some flakes of calendula flowers, there's rose petals, there's peppermint leaf, and then there's essential oils. So what that's going to do is going to help just so your feet's going to feel like it's in a nice little sauna. It's going to be cool, it's going to be hot at the same time.
Okay.
So it's going to also help to cleanse your feet, and then we'll finish with a foot scrub.
Okay.
All right, so this is information about it here.
Okay.
I'm going to pour the water in. Let me know if it's too hot.
Okay, that's
As
pretty
hot as
good.
possible.
That's pretty good. Don't even.
All right.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
All right, so you're all good. So we got you on 20 minutes. I'm going to warm up the belt.
It's hot?
The water? No.
Why you look
Oh,
tense?
stop. My bad.
This Jet. Breaking stuff.
Would you prefer tea, water, or coffee?
Some tea.
Tea. So we have our own wellness blend.
He's taking it all in. So I gotta just affirm you on the fragrance in here. Whatever essential oils is that's what's going on. Oh my
I
gosh.
just blended some clove orange for like a fall smell.
Wow.
You can smell it.
That is.
Communicating with these positive and negative ions, and then it's pulling the toxins through the bottom of our feet. The bottom of our feet has the largest pores in the body, just like our skin, all the little dots you can see where the hairs come out.
Yeah.
Our feet has it, just doesn't have hair at the bottom of it.
Oh, okay.
So what it's doing is it's opening up and pulling it out.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's Google. Say hey, Google. Yes.
Sheesh. What?
Pumpkin spice scrub.
ever been up in here?
Just to remove any dead skin. You ticklish too?
No.
Oh.
It was just scrubbing against my.
Gonna be having them soft feet, no more cutting the sheets.
Somebody who would appreciate that.
So ticklish, I stopped doing his toes because he's connected to your hands and feet. This is your head, which is that chart right there. All this is like shoulder. So normally if I go like this and I feel knots, people normally have shoulder pain.
Oh wow.
No, the knots
You feel the knots
under
in
the
the feet.
lets me know that there's knots in certain areas of the body.
Oh yeah.
Massaging the bottom of the feet, you're gonna help to relax all these areas. And in doing so, it helps to push toxins out of the body.
Oh wow.
The darker the wax, the longer it's been sitting in the air. So that's the first ear. This is the second ear. And remember, all these markings, that's wax that got burnt away. That's the second ear.
Yeah, I figured this one was a little bit worse. Yeah, because I couldn't hear like I heard the first one. You're right, yeah. Well, you always notice.
And there you have it. Can you hear me now?
Good.
Now you can hit him.
This here I can take off?
You can take the first one out, yeah.
Feeling good.
All right.
What'd you say? Thought I heard you say something.
Okay.
Get these parts now, yeah.
Please.
Parts now. You know what? I'm gonna sponsor the whole worship team. Get the Air Canada.
Especially before they put them in-ears in.
Yeah.
Do it.
Definitely sponsor them.
Yeah.
Kind of keep it with them like that, you know?
Of course. Of course.
Happy birthday to you.
What are you saying?
Happy birthday. See myself in this thing. Happy birthday to you. Birthday boy.
Alright, so this is called the 5 senses gifts.
Oh, okay.
So each of the gifts represents one of the 5 senses.
Oh.
So I mean you'll get, some of them will be self-explanatory, but yeah, it's not gonna be 5 separate boxes or bags, but within each of them is 5 different
Cool.
of the senses.
Go here. Oh yeah. Whoa! What? Oh snap! Oh yes. Oh man. Oh man. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Oh, that's dope. Oh man. Oh.
Alright, next one.
Not 2.
3 colognes.
3 colognes. Wow. Smell this. Oh my goodness. Coffee and whiskey? What? Okay. Nice. Oh, wow. I do like that. I do like that. That is an interesting fragrance. Ooh. Oh. Oh yeah, that's Sunday morning. That's Sunday morning easily. Easily right there, boy. Whew. What am I gonna do with all these colognes?
Wear them for different things.
I'm trying. I got into a good rhythm though. I'm not gonna lie. I did. Got into a nice little groove. Wow. That smell like something, boy. Oh man. Oh, another set. Cool. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Take it.
That address.
Another set. These things here are just. I love these things.
That's not a touch. Actually, that's a sight.
What? What? Wow.
So it came out smaller than I ordered, but
Yeah.
it's a blanket with pictures on it.
Oh, this is nice. Oh man.
I'm ordering another one to get it bigger.
You know what I can use this for? When you be taking out the cover, I can use this to help.
Mate,
Like,
please. You don't even sleep with the cover on. You be half off the bed.
you know, I didn't realize how much I love pictures, actually, until like last year when you did the whole picture thing. Yeah, this is special. Oh, she got the engagement on there too. Oh boy. The proposal. Ah. Okay, appreciate that. Can I open one?
Mm-hmm.
Birthday boy. Kit Kats. Make the Kit Kat so much better. Ooh, whoa. See that? All that birthday goodness in there. You see them colors? Oh man, it's perfect. Mm-hmm. Oh my. Mm-hmm. Brandy? Oh man. Some nice brandy. I'm a brandy, whiskey, kind of guy, so this is perfect. 40% alcohol up in here. That's that's a lot of alcohol, but that's nice. Nike Dunk Low Retro. Oh snap. Oh boy. Ooh! Oh man! Oh, I'm gonna crush these. I'm gonna crush these, bruh. Ooh. Yes.
Why are you smelling it?
It's the new shoe smell. Oh man. You bringing something out of me, girl. That's ooh. Oh yeah. Okay. What in the coach is going on here? What? I gotta open the band like that.
Smile, dude.
Whoo! Oh my gosh. Oh man. Yes. Oh my gosh. A real freaking wallet, bro. Oh yes. And it's Coach too. Come on, man. Oh! Okay. Cool. Got my name right there. That's pretty cool. Okay. Hey, that's how you know it's expensive when they go to putting your names on stuff, boy. Woo. How much you pay for this? Oh. Oh, man. Dang, boy.
It's about time I replaced the other
What
one.
in the world? Oh, my gosh.
You like it?
I love this freaking girl. Oh, my gosh.
Nice fresh one.
Oh, man.
Other one going in the garbage.
Oh, ASAP.
And it's an everyday type of bag, so you don't have to feel like
Every day?
the leather, and it's like a warranty on the leather and everything.
Oh, wow. I'm gonna definitely.
Touch gifts, shoes, touch.
Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, boy. Oh, that was legit now.
That looks so much better.
Yeah. Oh man.
Yeah, so this one actually goes on the bag, but I told him to put it outside of the box.
Oh, okay.
So that one came with the
So
bag,
we
but I
put-
bought this
oh, okay.
extra so I can engrave it. All engraving is free at Coach.
Oh, really?
Anything you purchase, you can engrave wallet,
Mm-hmm.
any of these tags. The tags are like $8. So in case you want to go get me a bag, you know,
Yeah.
you can get that engraving. It comes with it. They do it in front of you. So you'll see that.
Oh, wow, nice. This is Coach at Garsmore?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
It's over there across from like Tory Burch.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually right across from Tory.
Nice. Yeah, this is the bag right here. This is the one. Oh man, that was legit, boy.
Don't it look so much better?
Oh, way better, dog.
Oh,
Way
my
freaking
goodness.
better. You know what I mean?
I can't wait to give you this. This is the best gift that I found.
Oh man, yeah, that's it. Oh man, yeah, that's perfect. Oh, that's perfect.
So good.
That's perfect, yeah. And I just put, oh yes, yes.
Yep. Wallet in there.
Inside of it. Oh my gosh. Oh man, yes. Oh, jeez, babe. Should have been it.
I know. I was trying to do it earlier, but I'm like, nah, your birthday not till October.
Oh man, yeah.
And I was not gonna wait till no Christmas.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's the one. That's the one here. Legit. Oh man.
That boy feeling
Yeah, I'm
himself.
pretty sure I want to just.
Yeah, it looks so good. You can literally wear it every day. It's customized. It's yours.
Every day?
You don't have to, but
It's so nice. Yeah, I mean, my cards. I mean, obviously use a thing because that's. Yeah, so it's.
yeah,
it's
your
gonna be
purse
everything.
is very everything.
This will be
You
everything.
could use the wallet on occasion if you want
Yeah.
to because it's so much smaller.
Mm-hmm.
And you just use that for the cards and then that for whatever else.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna put.
Or
one-
if you don't want to use it every day, you don't have to because it's nice.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna get rid of that. So I'm gonna put all my ID cards and stuff in here, so I can either carry this around just by itself, you know. But
Whatever.
it's going in here. Oh, I feel-
You like it?
I love this thing. I love this thing. Feel guilty wearing this to church, man.
Why?
I gotta get out of that mindset.
Why?
Just cause it's just, you know, it's expensive. It's a mindset. It's a mindset.
Babe, it's not Louis Vuitton.
I'm just associating it with. I'm just associating.
I mean,
it
if
with-
you really want to know the price, I'll tell you, but it was.
Wow. So, come here.
What you want from me? You like it?
I love it, baby. Thank you.
I knew you'd like all of them,
Bro,
but
everything.
yeah. So the taste, the smell, touch, the
Okay.
sight
Yeah.
here.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, you
He loved the gifts. All right, y'all. So we are getting dressed. Well, I'm dressed. I just finished getting ready. We're going to happy hour / dinner. This is my little outfit. Necklace is Zara. Set is from Shein. Earrings are Shein. And yep, this is the look. Very nice and classy. And this is the bag and the shoes. The shoes are gold. Little snake skin. So, yeah. You almost done? How do shoes fit?
Clap your hands like this. Yo, it's me. fork. This goes between middle and ring. Right? Yep, middle and ring. The middle and index. Oh yeah. Gotcha. Oh snap. Here's how you do it.
Go ahead, pick up some pickles.
What you want to pick up pickles?
Hey.
Oh wow.
Is it good?
It's good, yeah.
Is it super spicy?
Well, I mean, I'm learning your spice is different than mine now.
How many pickles is it?
Between your middle and, yep, you got it. Yeah, that's it. And then it just,
What?
yeah, you got it between the middle and then that one go down. And then this one is, like, it's not way back here, it's, oh, you need to curl your fingers. Your fingers need to curl.
What?
Yeah, these fingers need to go in. So you see how so you have your fingers out like this.
Okay.
So my fingers are in. You got it?
No.
So the stick that's on the bottom doesn't move. Go back to, yeah. That one don't move. This the only one that moves right here. See what you're doing. So the one on the bottom, it need to like rest here, so it's locked like that, so it doesn't move. And these fingers do like that. The one it rests. It need to be, yeah, it just need to rest right there, and then these fingers just do that. So there it is. Now if you curl your fingers a little bit more, you should be able to do it a little bit. It's gonna be a little challenge inside. And then,
I did it. Oh look, it fell. And I picked it back up. I learned something today. Yeah.
So we got these spicy pork wontons. Yo, these things are like so good, bro.
They are really good.
Even the spicy pickles.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Especially with,
The wonton.
there you go. Yeah, there you go.
Look at that thing. Hold on. I gotta get this.
Alright, so just to be clear, I had to teach this Jit how to use her.
You just learned too.
I had to teach her, you know what I mean? You gotta get the, hold up. Hold snap. There it is. Get the technique, man. Look at her go. Look at her go, y'all. That is a...
Pipe. Might be a little bit tipsy. I'm not really yet. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. That's you. Or maybe this is you.
Maybe so.
What you ordered again?
I ordered like the brisket.
Oh, that's definitely brisket. That's the brisket. That's
that's with the
General
noodles.
Tso's. Yeah.
Oh. We gotta order the noodles and we just keep them, yeah.
Bangkok street noodles.
Oh, okay, with the brisket.
Yep, that's what I thought so.
Oh,
I'm like,
okay,
that
okay,
looks
okay.
like yours.
Remember, they just bring everything straight to the middle
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
Right, yeah, I
That's
just couldn't
awesome.
tell
Thank
which
you.
one.
God's house chicken. Oh. Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you, mama.
I'm super hyped. A little too hyped, probably. Let me taste my shrink. It is so cute, right? Like, what the heck? Nobody ain't doing this. All right, I'm gonna taste the drink. The famous Blackbird drink. Ready? Ooh. I'm lit. That is so good.
So I asked you earlier about who's driving.
That's so good. It tastes like a yummy hot chocolate with a whole bunch of rum. It's so good. That is really good. And the bird is still intact.
That's good.
So cute. I love this. No, that's really good. It's like a dessert cup. Everything 10 out of 10. This drink right here. This is a lychee. I've never had it, but I hear so much about it. It's so sweet. That's lychee, right? I knew it. It's lychee. It comes like a sweet grape type consistency. Right here, the birthday boy.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that's great.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear DJ. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo!
Thank you, ladies.
Yay!
Hey, man, appreciate it.
Oh my goodness! Wow, look at that.
Oh, yes,
That
thank
looks
you.
so good.
Yeah, it looks really good. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's so pretty. It's a fried banana bread. Fried banana bread ice cream. Banana bread ice cream.
She said, oh,
That's
gosh.
so fancy.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
One time for the birthday bar. 2 times for the birthday bar. That creme brulee up top? Oh, man. Yep.
It's tough.
Yeah. Oh.
Did you enjoy dinner?
I enjoyed dinner big time.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part? Probably those wontons, man. The wontons are so good.
Yeah.
All that spice, the spice was getting to me, but them things was incredible.
Yeah.
The lettuce tacos was really good too. So
Yeah. Everything was really good, actually.
everything was really good.
Even our drinks. The drinks is my favorite part. I really enjoyed the drinks. They were just like nice and good, and they were half off. So,
They were good.
anyways,
Really good. The old
happy
fashioned
birthday,
taste was good.
33.
33, Jesus, yeah.
Jesus here. Jesus what?
He did weak. Why though? Why? Why did he weak? You ever seen that movie?
Well, yeah, it's with Barbershop.
Is it Barbershop?
Yeah, the little grandma asked him to find out why Jesus what.
Yeah, because he said, say grace, and he was like, Jesus what?
Yeah.
Why? Like, why what? Why did he weep?
Why did he weep? I'm glad you had fun, baby. What a great time.
Oh, man.
It's only 6 o'clock. You gonna fall asleep?
It was a real good time.
It was.
Let's go to the movies.
No. There's no good movies and you're going to fall asleep for sure.
I'm definitely falling asleep.
You're definitely falling asleep.
If I go to that movie,
It's only 6 o'clock, y'all. It's literally
I'm
just
recline that chair like this here, boy.
and they have the good recliners plus blankets.
Oh, and blankets too?
Yeah, but it got to be worth it though. It has to be a
Let's
really
go to
good.
the movies. Let's go to the movies.
Babe, no, I'm not about to go pay for you to go to sleep. You go to sleep at home. There's no good movies out. It's all Halloween horror
You
movies.
sure gonna pay $30 for me to fall
I'm
asleep?
not about to pay $30 for you to go to sleep. You can go sleep for free in the house with your new blanket that you just got.
Oh man, you right.
Yeah, if it was good movies out, there'd be good movies during the holidays.
Yeah, we definitely gotta check it out because I've never been to that one.
Sinopolis?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been there a few times. Yeah, let's go home and make a baby.
Let's do it.
Thank you. Bye.